In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for leave on Zoho. Whether you're planning a vacation, need a personal day, or are simply feeling a bit under the weather, applying for leave can be quick and straightforward using Zoho People. Stay with me as I walk you through the process, ensuring you feel confident and ready to manage your time away from work. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho People account. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoho People login page. Enter your credentials just as you usually do. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is your main dashboard for everything related to personnel management. Next, to initiate a leave request, locate the Quick Actions icon. You'll notice this is symbolized by a plus sign and is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click. This action opens up a menu with several options. In this menu, look for the leave option and select it. This will take you to the leave tracker page where you can view all your leave related information. It's an excellent feature for having an overview of your remaining leave days, past leave applications, and more. Now it's time to choose your leave type. Zoho allows you to pick from a variety of leave categories, which might include options like sick leave, vacation leave, or any other type specific to your organization. Pick the one that best suits your needs by clicking on it. After selecting your leave type, the next step is to set the dates for your leave. Here, you'll specify the exact start and end dates for your time off. Be sure to double check these dates for accuracy. Doing so helps in smooth schedule management for both you and your team. Next, enter your team's email ID. This step typically involves entering the email address where official leave notifications are sent. Make sure you input the correct email to keep everyone in the loop about your time away. You're almost done. The next step involves providing a reason for your leave. In the designated field, write a brief explanation or description of why you're taking leave. Whether it's a personal issue or professional development, clarity helps approvers understand your request better. Finally, complete the process by clicking the Submit button. This sends off your leave application for approval. Once submitted, you'll usually receive a confirmation, and shortly after that, a notification regarding the status of your application. And there you have it, your leave application is completed. It's a simple yet efficient process that ensures you can effortlessly plan your time away from work without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your leave application experience smooth and straightforward.